What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. So to start this tutorial off, you're just going to open up your Snapchat application. And then you're going to swipe right to get to the chat screen. And then in the upper right hand corner, you're going to see a little chat icon with a pencil hovering above it. This is where you're going to create a group. You could type in any of the names you want or just manually select them and you could pop up. You could also name the group to whatever you like. You could use emojis in the title if you want. I just made it a default greatest group. Also, as you can see, you could only add people to a group if you have them added as a friend and they have you added back. On this account, I don't have a lot of accounts like that, so unfortunately I won't be able to create the group chat. But that is also a helpful tip if you're struggling to create the group chat and you don't know what's going on. But that's pretty much all it is to the Snapchat group chat. Once you have it created, you should be able to use all the other functions that you would normally in Snapchat. This is actually one of my favorite apps for group chats. Of all the apps I've used it, so I'd highly recommend. If you have any questions or need help with this tutorial, don't be afraid to comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you right away. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.